Alright, Joe, so today Keon's going to be detailing the IS300. He's going to, just a little bit, he's going to do like a restoration on one of the headlights, and then we're going to paint that spare wheel. We're going to paint it satin black, get it, you know, matching all with the other wheels. So let's go see what this guy's doing right now. Keon, what you doing there, buddy?
I'm out here, you know, cleaning the IS300, cleaning,
restoration?
Yeah, restorating the headlights.
It's just that one, right?
Yeah, it's just that one. This is the one weird one that was really being difficult and whatnot.
Yeah, this one's pretty clean. And would you look what we got going on over here? Spray painting that one wheel. This looks like this is the first coat right here. It's pretty good. It's pretty nice. This wheel got like no scuffs, nothing. This thing literally looks brand new. And if y'all wondering what that is, Justin painted his emblems, finally. But we're getting to the wheel right now. It's coming out pretty darn good. Keon working his magic.
I'm trying to get the edges, see?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I got you. I know what to do. See?
This is like the second coat.
See, right? Between there and there, trying to get that as much as I can.
Oh yeah. Like side spots?
Yeah, the side spots, you know. Your boy got look stunning out here, man. Man, look at that bum. I don't want to be like Justin.
Let's see how this is going. Oh yeah. Scrubbing most of that off. He still gotta use all these. What you putting on there?
Oh, plastic clear plastic cleaner polisher. Oh, take that fucking.
Oh yeah, I've heard of this one. I use this brand for my tire shine.
Perfect.
Final product. Rolling. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa there. Don't go there.
Alright. Star padding.
You're right.
Keon mechanic in the making. Boom. Alright, let's see the final product. Woo! Woo! Look at that. Yeah, look at that thing. Woo! So yeah, looks like that's it for today. Might be a short video, but at least we're getting things done. One step closer to the goal. So I hope y'all like the video. Subscribe to your boy, and I'll catch you on the next one.